everyone. Welcome to Dialoguing English. I'm Sophia, your English teacher. Today we have another simple and fun episode. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We post daily English lessons to help you speak with confidence.
Hi everyone, I'm James. I'm learning English, just like you. So don't worry, we learn together.
Great. Today's topic is ordering breakfast at a cafe. We will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities, all connected to a simple breakfast conversation.
Perfect for beginners.
Yes! And sometimes I'll ask you, our listener, to repeat some words. Ready? Let's start. Okay, James, you walk into a cafe in the morning. What is the first thing you say?
Maybe good morning?
Exactly! Good morning! Let's practice, listeners. Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Another useful greeting is hello. Very simple. Repeat. Hello.
Hello.
And if someone asks, how are you? You can say, I'm good, I'm fine, or I'm great. Let's practice with the listeners. Repeat, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great.
Nice, that's easy.
Great! Now let's move to the next part. Numbers are very important when ordering food. James, can you count from 1 to 10?
Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent! Let's repeat slowly for our listeners. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Numbers help when you order 1 coffee or 2 sandwiches.
Exactly. For example, 1 coffee, please. 2 muffins, please. Let's practice. 1 coffee, please. 2 muffins, please.
I'm hungry already.
Me too. Let's keep going. Sometimes at a cafe, someone might say, Happy Monday or Busy Friday. So it's useful to know all the days. James, can you say them?
Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great! Now, slowly for the listeners. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Now, let's make a simple sentence. Repeat. Today is Monday. Today is Friday.
This is very helpful for small talk.
Yes, small talk at a cafe is very common. When ordering breakfast, we also talk about objects. James, imagine a cafe table. What objects can we find?
A cup, a plate, a spoon, a napkin.
Exactly! Here are 4 basic objects. Cup, plate, spoon, napkin. Repeat after me. Cup, plate, spoon, napkin.
Very simple words.
Yes. And now let's make small sentences. Here is your cup. This is your plate. I need a spoon. Can I have a napkin? Repeat after me. I need a spoon. Can I have a napkin? Now the fun part. Breakfast food. Some common breakfast items are coffee, tea, milk, juice, bread, toast, eggs, sandwich, muffin, and croissant. Repeat slowly. Coffee, tea, milk, juice, bread, toast, eggs, sandwich, muffin, croissant.
These are all foods I love.
Me too! Now, let's build sentences you can use in a cafe. I want a coffee. I'd like a tea. Can I have a sandwich? A muffin, please. One croissant, please. Repeat. I want a coffee. Can I have a sandwich? One croissant, please.
Very useful.
Breakfast is part of our daily routine. Let's talk about simple daily activities. Wake up, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, drink coffee, read a book, check email, take a shower. Repeat after me. Wake up, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, drink coffee, read a book, check email, take a shower.
These are very common activities.
Yes. Now let's create simple sentences. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast every day. I drink coffee in the morning. Repeat. I eat breakfast every day. I drink coffee in the morning. Now let's put everything together. Imagine you walk into a cafe. Listen to this simple conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. What would you like today?
I'd like one coffee and one croissant, please.
Great. One coffee and one croissant. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect. Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great Monday.
You too.
See? Very simple. Let's repeat key phrases with our listeners. Good morning. I'd like one coffee. One croissant, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
We practiced greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities, all connected to a simple breakfast conversation.
Exactly. Let's repeat the most important words. Good morning, one coffee, one croissant. Please, thank you. Repeat after me. Good morning, one coffee, thank you. Great job today. You learned a lot. And remember, practice every day. If you liked this episode of Dialoguing English, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily English podcasts.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.